welcome back to Animal Spotting, where we will look at different animals. And hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator, and welcome back to another LEGO video. Oh dear, that just went flying right over there, right off the edge of the desk. But anyway, today I'm back with another monthly mini build from LEGO. This one is 40332. It was released in December 2019. I'm just scratching my forehead trying to think when it was done. And it is a penguin with headphones, because you can't do a regular penguin. You need to do a penguin with headphones. And this is probably one of the last mini builds I'm going to task myself to do. Yeah, I know. Cue the booing music. Yeah, I know. It's sad, But anyway, let's make it worthwhile. So without further ado, let's get started. So, let's get started, let's get in with some energy. Yeah, I don't want to spend my time being boring. So, a 1x4 base plate in this sort of flamish orange yellow, and a white inverted roof tile on the top of that. Well, actually, we need to revert it the other way around. Now, some of these special yellow roof tile pieces, two of them, and underneath them we're going to stick these 1x2 base plates in the same orange as this original one. This is going to be the little flippers for our little penguin. Just attach them to the sides like so. Bing bang bong, boopity boop. 1x4 standard base plate in black goes over here. I'm spinning this around quite a bit. And a side attachment brick in black with two attachments, and some more side attachment bricks just with two attachments on the sides to align with this one that we have here. So now another 1x4 standard base plate in black, and now we're going to be doing the rear of the penguin, so set that aside. A 2x4 standard base plate in white with a 1x4 base plate at the base over here. Now we're going to get these very small little simple slope pieces in black, one over here and another over here, and this very large slope piece with sort of like, is that 2 steps or 3 steps? I'm not really sure, but we're going to stick it over here, and that sort of like shapes off the back a little bit. We're going to stick that to our side attachment bricks at the back, and there we have the back of the penguin. Now, what else do we need? Okay, so we need a 1x2 white brick at the front. That's going to be the start of our, plumage at the front of the penguin. We're going to be using these fountain slope pieces done in white as well over here. And that's already the beginning of the rest of our penguin. So now on the sides, to fill in some things, we have some very small pieces. 1x1 base plates in black, one on the side over here, and another one just over there. And we're going to get 1x2 base plate in white. That's going to finish off this white patch that we have here. And we're going to get, not these 1x1 base plates, but these 1x1 tiles. Sorry about that. Let me just stick them onto the sides over here. Now, we're going to need some flippers, because penguins have flippers. So set that aside. We're going to get these dual slope pieces in black. Stick a 1x2 base plate underneath that, and that's our white and black flipper. Just going to quickly make another one with my speedy fingers. And we're going to stick them to the sides over here where these side attachment bricks are. Pretty clever design, this. Now, what's next? The penguin's head, so set that aside. Again, a 2x3 base plate in black and a 1x2 base plate in white down the middle. Now for the beak, we're going to be using this flaming orange yellow slope piece, and 2 more of those 1x1 base plates will go at the back here to fill some stuff in. Now, complicated piece time. We're going to be using these 1x1. I do not know how to call these pieces. Bricks. Yeah. And we're going to be using these Technic pin connectors in blue with stud attachment. And we need to make 4 of these sort of little assemblies. Come back here. Yeah. These things like to roll everywhere. Alright, so now that we have 4 of them, we're going to stick 2 at the front like this. If you're hearing some strange humming, then that's just the rain. The rain just decided to switch on right now. Like, 5 minutes ago, it wasn't raining. Now, it's suddenly raining. But anyway, these ones go on the sides like that. And those are going to be where our little penguin headphones are going to sit. So now, what else are we going to be needing? We're going to be needing some eyes. Some of these eyes. Round eyes. Printed eye pieces. And the thing about these Technic connectors is that they move round and round and round and round like that. We're going to need some more round tiles done in red. One over here and one over here. That's going to be the little earplug things for headphones. Okay, and now finally a 1x3 red tile over here and a 1x3 black tile to finish off the penguin's head. And then we have a nice pretty looking head with swizzly eyes. Now we're going to bring back our main body, and the two open studs at the center are going to attach with those two studs over here, sort of like a central design or something like that. And there we've done it. So there we have it, our little DJ headphone wearing penguin is complete, kind of a cultural hipster sort of penguin waddling around and listening to his favorite tunes. Yep, nice, funny, goofy design with his swizzly eyes. Definitely gonna add swizzly eyes to my own creation stuff as well. Nice flippers, posable flippers. Steal this design as your will because I shared it with you, and that is exactly why I've shared this and all the other Nothing Many builds that I have from the very beginning, from that train that I did so much time ago. But anyway, why am I taking a trip down memory lane? I do not know. But that is the end of this video. So, I hope to share more in the future. I hope that you eat all your spaghetti. And, oh yeah, I lost the Lego separator. Duh. I'm trying to find it underneath the desk here. And yes, and until next time, salutations!